In this guide, I'll show you how to fix PS5 Error Code CE-108255-1. An error occurred with the game or application. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Settings on your console, and then we're going to scroll down to System Settings, go to System Software Update and Settings, and make sure your system is up to date with the latest system software. So, if that's not the issue, the next thing we're going to do is go to the specific game or application that's giving you a problem and you want to press the Options button on your controller and then delete the game and try reinstalling it. Now, if you're still getting an error, the next thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller. And we're going to go to Power and you want to turn off your PS5 fully. Now, once it's fully turned off, press and hold the power button until you get 2 beeps, and that'll bring you into safe mode where you want to rebuild the database on your console. Then, after you've done that, simply go back to the gamer application and try to use it. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next.